Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. Today in this video we will learn the next exercise 11.4 here. The first question we have here is answer the following. Now certain conditions are given according to which we have to form the expression. Take Sarita's present age to be y years. So Sarita's age is y. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different conditions given to you. We have to form the expression using Sarita's age equal to y years. So let us see what it is. The first condition given to us, Sarita's age after 5 years from now equal to Sarita's present age plus 5. So the first question is that what will be the Sarita's age after 5 years from now? So if her present age is y, after 5 years means she will get bigger, that means she will get more. So plus and how much? Y. So what will be the expression? Y plus 5 years. Second one. Now it is asked what will be the Sarita's age, what was Sarita's age 3 years back, means they are asking before, the past time. So Sarita's present age minus 3, that means present age is y minus 3 years. So this will be the expression for the given statement. Next, Sarita's grandfather's age is asked to us, which is 6 times Sarita's present age. So grandfather's age is 6 times Sarita's present. Times means children you have to multiply. Sarita's present age is what? Y. 6 times means 6 into y, which is equal to 6y. So here the expression we will have here is 6y years. Now Sarita's grandmother's age is 2 years less than her grandfather's present age. So we have found the grandfather's present age, that is 6y here, and 2 years younger to the grandfather. So 6y minus 2 years will be the expression for her grandmother's age. Similarly, her father's age is equal to 5 years plus, that is 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's present age it is asked. So 5 years more. So 5 plus 3 times Sarita's age means 5 plus 3y. Or you can write 3y plus 5 years, one and the same here. Next, the second question in that, the length of a rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. What is the length if the breadth is b meter? Now breadth is given to us as b meter. The length is told it is 3 times the breadth minus 4. 3 times breadth means 3 into b minus 4. So what we will get the expression to find the of length? 3b minus 4 meters over here. Next, C question. Meena, Beena and Reena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at step S. So Meena is where? At step S. Beena is 8 steps ahead. So, and Leena 7 steps behind. Behind whom? Meena. Okay. Where are Beena and Meena? Okay, that is the first question. And the second we have the total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena has reached now. Express the total number of steps using S. So all this question we have to answer on the basis of S, that where the Meena has reached. Now the first, Meena is at what step? S. Now the step at which Beena is 8 steps ahead of Meena. So S plus 8. So you can see where is Beena here? S plus 8 step. Then what about Leena? Leena is 7 steps back of Meena. So S minus 7 step. Then the total steps here we have to give in the form of the expression using S only, which is 10 less than 4 times Meena. 4 times what Meena? That means 4 into S and 10 less than that. So 4S minus 10. So how many total number of steps are there? 4S minus 10. Only children you have to form the expression, no solution to it. Now, change the following statements using expressions into the statements in ordinary language. The condition given to you, you have to use it in the simpler form, the way you can understand here. A notebook cost rupees P. A book cost rupees 3P. Now, if I want to put it in the simple language, children, how I am going to write that a book costs 3 times the cost of notebook. Okay, we'll only write about this. So, both the things are covered in it. Tony puts Q marbles on the table. He has 8 Q marbles in his box. So, if I want to put the simpler thing, what I am going to write? Tony's box contain 8 times the marbles that he has on the table. Next question. Our class has N students. The school has 20 N students. So, what I am going to write for that? The total number of students in the school is 20 times that of our class. Similarly, in an arrangement of the dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. So, what I am going to write? The total number of dots is 5 times the number of rows. So, with this children, we end this exercise. Hope you understood this, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.